to live my life without you near me. The days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. Might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna.
Happy birthday, Tita Bunny. Happy birthday, Tita Bunny. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Bunny. We love you, we miss you. Hope you have a great time celebrating your birthday in Paris. Take care. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Bunny! Ingat always.
Ilang bunnies o trabaho.
Health is well. Thank you.
Happy
birthday, Nabansi!
Ingat lagi! We love you!
God bless, Nabansing! Magka naman, isang tagay sa tagumpay!
Happy birthday, Te! Ingat
Happy birthday,
lagi!
Ingat lagi!
Say bye-bye, Te, ya!
Opa, waka-waka,
Hi, Bunny! Happy birthday! Sana mugmi ka wala sa kantawan mo. Daka di preparation ta. Surprise ko no sa Mininoy. At on the spot man sa message sa kanila sa work ako. Hindi ka sana pero yan eh. Miss na naman ka sa kaganti mga jamming ta nung mga nung naging klase kita sa kanso nung magkaklase mga sa mga subject ng college. Pakabait palagi. I miss you, Bane, and I love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Bunny. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate! Enjoy, Paris! Ingat kayo dyan.
Thank you.
Sabihin mo, happy?
Ano ito? Sige pa ito?
Happy?
Kanina pa?
Isa! Di ko ikaw bibigyan ng chocolate. Kaya ako chocolate.
Kanina mga ano bang?
Sabi mo, happy birthday, Tita Bunny. I love you. Kiss, kiss. Frank kiss. Hug, hug.
Bumpanes. Oh. Hello ate, kuya. Ate Bunny, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. I wish you all the best and all the good things in life. And thank you for everything na ginawa mo sa family, to your kids, especially, and sa aming mga kapatid mo, lalo na sa akin. Happy birthday ate. And sa inyo po lahat ng mga OFW dyan na nag-celebrate sa birthday ng ate ko, thank you so much po for attending. Enjoy the party and saludo po kaming lahat sa inyo. Grabe po yung mga sacrifices and paghihirap niyo dyan para lang sa magandang buhay dito sa mga pamilya niyo sa Pilipinas. Kaya dahil dyan, deserve nyo mag-enjoy. Alright? Deserve nyo mag-enjoy everyone. Let's go.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. It's your birthday. If you know, you know. It's your birthday, honey. So I'm football, I'm never cheating.
happy birthday. Pasensya na sa aking itsura at ako'y nag-deliver ng aking panila. Anyway, I wish you all the best. Happy ako okay na ka. And I hope and pray na magtuloy-tuloy ang mga plano mo sa buhay. Make sure to always prioritize your children. Hindi magpabaya sa diri. Focus sa pamilya, lalo na sa mga gusto. Aside from anything else, mag-pray. Hindi makalipong i-work always. Taano kang kami sa ating magigabay, magtabang, and pwede maglandit, pero slight lang. And make sure na maging wise ka this time. You've been through a lot sa mga pinagagyan mo sa pagiging ng asawa mo. Alam mo na yun. Hindi ko na siya kailangan i-elaborate. All I wish is for you to be happy, to be content. Always remember that, na maging contento. And focus sa family. Hindi pagpabayaan si tita. Kasi, iyan, i-bless ni Lord. Pero, look, itan mo na lang si Noy, pero siyang blessed sa mga plans and endeavors niya. So, I wish you all the best. A happy birthday. I miss you. Miss ko na ka. And I love you. Hindi lang ako pero no matter what. Di man kita pero naging istorya, di man kita pero naging chika, but you know, message me lang. Hindi lang ako pero. Doc will always be here. And happy birthday. Ingat kayo yung pamilya si Noy. Thank you for the friendship. I love you, bye. Bye-bye.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. I don't know, but now
Happy birthday, Mama!
you can.
Love you!
Happy birthday, Kumitang. Love you.
Nothing's gonna change.
Let's sing happy birthday! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Bye-bye! Thank you, Ma! Bye-bye! Happy birthday to you!
Nothing's gonna change.
I love you, Mama.
I love you!
Nothing's gonna change.